Good day everyone, I'm Janelle Maika and I'm here to present the company of Emperador. So let's now proceed to the statement of the problem. This statement of the problem addressing these issues is critical for Emperador to solidify its competitive advantage, enhance its brand prestige, and ensure continued financial success in an increasingly dynamic and competitive global spirit industry. And now we proceed the internal environment. Here's the information about an Emperador Distillers environment as detailed in the provided document. For the marketing, strong marketing efforts using TV commercials, billboard, online ads, and the celebrity endorsement. For the finance, financially strong, being the world's largest branding company with international brands like Fundador in Spain. For the operations, modern production facilities in the Philippines and abroad, focusing on efficient manufacturing and low cost. And for the last one, capabilities and competencies, excellent and creating affordable liquors and expanding into the new global markets. And now we proceed the external environment. Here's the information about Emperador Distillers' external environment. The first one is competitive rivalry, high as Emperador competence with other major liquor brands such as Ginebra, Remy Martin, and Hennessy. The threat of new entrants, low due to several barriers. This includes strict laws and regulations governing alcohol and production sales. For the threat of substitutes moderates, while direct competitors offer similar products. Consumers have other alcoholic beverage like beer or wine, or even non-alcoholic soft drinks as alternatives. And the last one is bargaining power of suppliers. Moderate key ingredients like grapes and alcohol are essential, but there are multiple suppliers for these commodities. And the next one is SWOT analysis. And for the SWOT, our strength is strong brand in the Philippines, affordable products, and global market expansion to Spain, UK, US, and China. And for weaknesses, some customers prefer imported liquor, limited presence in premium, high-end market. The opportunities is growing international demand for brandy and new markets in Asia and Africa. And for the last one, threats, changing alcohol regulation, economic problem that lower customer spending. And next we proceed the strategic alternatives. We have growth, stability, retrenchment, and best strategic option. And for the growth, launch new premium brandy products and enter more international markets. And for the stability, continue focusing on the Philippines and maintaining a strong position in the brandy market. For the retrenchments, stop selling products in areas with low sales to save money. And last one, best strategic option, growth expanding globally and creating more premium products to maintain a strong reputation. And our next one is recommendation. We have expanding into more countries, launching a new premium, and this will help Emperador stay competitive and increase profits. For the implementation program, we have management plan, marketing plan, financial plan, and operational plan.